Today we are going to learn to solve Rubik's 3x3 together. If you still haven't learned the notation of the Rubik's, be sure to watch this video that comes to you. I have put the link in description for you. Let's go to training. Well, first of all, we have to scramble Rubik's. After that, we have to make a plus on the white color, so that edges and center are matched together. Like this. I scrambled Rubik's. Well, guys, there is no special algorithm or method to make plus, and just depends on your creativity and practice. I am going to place this edge is one of the plus section. For example, if it was like this, we place it with an F and R. Let's go to the next one. This one placed with only R. Be careful not to spoil the placement of the plus edges. Like this. For example, here, if I use L prime, the plus disappears again. So I create an empty space by using U and then place it. And the next here, U2 and then placement. Well, after creating the plus, we have to go to match the edges with the center, and in this section you will encounter three modes. Here, two of the centers are matched and the two edges are wrong. Here one of the matched edges should be facing and the other one should be on the left side, and you run this algorithm. R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, and match all the edges so easily. The second mode, two of the edges are matched and the other are wrong. We place one of the matching edges facing each other and run this algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U2, R, and plus and edges are made. Be aware that you must practice to master this stage completely. First, create plus and then make and match the edges. Well, let's go to the next part and complete the first layer. Only one important point is that you can make the plus with any color, but it's better to make it with white color. Well, to complete the first layer, you have to rotate Rubik's Cube so that plus is placed below. In this section white color and first layer of Rubik's must be solved like this. And the first layer is solved. Well, let's go to the training. We will put plus again below. At this stage, three situations may happen to us. The first mood, it is that the white corner is facing us and on the right side. Then we have to see what colors are in the corner, blue and orange. So we go to the blue and orange center. To run the algorithm, if it was in the right corner, we take it like this and run this algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime. And place the corner. The second mode, it is facing us and to the left like this. We check the colors of the corners and match them with the centers, blue and red. And the V put in the front of U and run the algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L. And this corner is also placed in its place. Let's go to the next corner and check its colors in the same way and then match green and orange. We put it in front of us and run the algorithm again. The third mode, it is not located on the right or left side but on the top like this, and we put that corner in the part that is empty. For example, this has been matched or this one, but this one is empty. If it was on the right side, we use this algorithm R, U2, R prime, and it becomes the second state and we run the algorithm. If the white corner is on the left and top, use this algorithm L prime, U2, L, and it becomes the first state and we run algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, and the first layer of your Rubik's it's solved. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, be sure to comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all, and until the next video, goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed.